Hello boss, this is our V1000. Equipped with Cubata engine, Italian hands-up pump, dual closed circuit plunger pump, and a gear pump. Danish Danfoss model, dual idleware design provided stronger grip on the tracks. Two 30mm wide tracks for improved traction. Shorter track ground contact length for improved flexibility. One-piece bottom design. Horse protection rings for attachments to secure and protect horses. The Quick Cooper has a built-in pressure release function to protect low pressure, low flow attachments. Bucket cylinder with protective cover.
This is a protective cover for the hydraulic cylinder. This is our new update hydraulic switch for the engine hold.
Our multifunctional control panel with USB port, secret lighter, and LCD display. Dual-polit joystick handles with multi-function buttons. With lights, horn, safety lock, attachments control, override switch.
This is a gravity sensing warning light.
Longon-polit joystick.
The console and the side panels can both be opened for easy maintenance. And it comes with a document holder.
Auxiliary arm with limit stop for better balance and stability. Safety protection between bomb and end machine body. Anchored pedal with anti-slap stopper and bump protection design. Rubber banding with gravity sensor. The machine's body used the quick release design for set panels for maintenance and cleaning. Vertical lift function. Control levers do not release pressure when the machine is off, making it safer. Anchored pedal with gravity sensor and override switch. The machine features a sleek design with an industrial aesthetic.